Dear students, the last class explained you about our constitution. Almost we have completed the chapter. Any doubts regarding the constitution? The St. Philomena's teachers group, all the videos already uploaded. Again you want explanation or any doubts you want to clarify? Often and often you can go for the videos and clarify the doubts, and still your doubts is not clarified means you can ask me the doubts in the WhatsApp itself. And today I am going to start a new chapter, religious promoters and social reformers. Religious promoters and social reformers. The period between the 8th century and the 13th century is very important in socio-cultural history of India. The period between the 8th century and the 13th century is very important in socio-cultural history of India. Why? I am going to explain now. During the same period, which is a period between the 8th and 13th century, that is called as during the same period, Shankaracharya, Madhvacharya, Ramanujacharya, who are the founder of three Vedic religions, were living in India. I'll repeat once again, children. During the same period, between the 8th and the 13th century, during the same period, Shankaracharya, Madhvacharya, Ramanujacharya, who are the founder of a three Vedic religion, were living in India. Dvaita, Advaita and Visishtadvaita are the three major philosophies also came into existence. Dvaita, Advaita and Visishtadvaita are the three major philosophies also came into existence. Often you may be heard, India, Bharata is a Punya Bhumi. Why Bharata is a Punya Bhumi? Because the great Rishi Munis has taken birth in this Punya Bhumi. And not only that, the Vedas, Upanishads, Gita, everything, the great philosophies has taken birth in this particular nation. That is a Bharata. That is the reason India is called as a Punya Bhumi. Basaveshwara of Kalyana declared social revolution. Again repeat. Basaveshwara of Kalyana declared social revolution against caste and gender-based discrimination. You know, children, caste and gender discrimination. Basaveshwara from the Kalyana, he declared and he was condemned the caste and the gender discrimination was what was going on our nation. In order to achieve the ideal situation, the three acharyas, who are the three acharyas? Shankaracharya, Madhvacharya and Ramanujacharya are the three great acharyas, and Basaveshwara preached all the people to surrender to the God irrespective of caste, creed and richness. They received the society to revive the society to Bhakti Marga. Once again I will repeat, children. The period between the 8th century and the 13th century is very important in the social cultural history of India. During the same period, Shankaracharya, Madhvacharya and Ramanujacharya were the founder of the Vedic religion, were living in India. Dvaita, Advaita and Visishtadvaita are the three major philosophies also came into existence, and Basaveshwara of Kalyana declared he was against to the caste and the gender discrimination. All three acharyas and Basaveshwara, they are given the importance about a Bhakti Marga. So how we should be surrendered to the God, they have explained in this particular chapter. I also want to thank in this particular situation. So we have to always respect our gurus, what they have taught to us. Even I as a student, I respect my guru. So from the samudra, means what we say that from the ocean I have learned the one drop, because Guru is an ocean. Our Guru is an ocean. From him I have learnt one drop of a water, that is called as a philosophy. So I am thankful for my Guru to taught me a drop of a philosophy. Still is there to learn from him the philosophy. I thanks to my Guru, and I hope every student, each and every student of a nation always respect to your Gurus, because Guru is the only one remaining is parents, as we say always, parents as the Guru, only the two of them are always God to us. If you respect them, so God always support you. So thank you very much, sir, so giving me the wonderful opportunity to stand in the video, stand in front of everyone to speak about all the philosophers. Thank you.